Hey, this is Charmaine. So, this is my personal motto and personal logo. I have A and S underneath my motto. So, the logo is Achieving Scholar. With that means throughout the time I was in school, since kindergarten to now, grad school, I've just been constantly focused on school, my studies, and doing the best I can to um, reach my goals with that. And as for the motto, it says start your day with a smile, never underestimate. That's a that's a motto for me every morning, every day as I wake up and getting ready, and to not doubt myself or not put myself down, and to have courage, ambition, and wake up knowing that each and every one of us has a beautiful smile, and to conquer the day. So, this is my motto and my logo, plus the background with mountains and a clear blue sky with some clouds that I thought would go with this sort of theme. And just it all ties back into like my work, my family, having fun. So like with the mountain especially, like I like to hike and I like to be outdoors, and like with health. And as for work, just each day as I wake up in the morning, it's best to like just be happy with your life and what you have, and that is why I